When you buy a car, make sure you bring the car to a reputable mechanic. We will inspect it for you for a very affordable, at an affordable price. You can save a lot of headache. Good afternoon mga kahansam, and for today's video, this is another interesting video, public service by Handsome Mechanic. Look, this car has been sold by a dealer somewhere around the area 2 months ago. Customer didn't use the car. He kept it at their garage because they don't have the money to register. Here comes the registration process. Part of the inspection during the blue slip. When the car is unregistered for more than 90 days, you will need a blue slip. In this case, look at this. We inspect the tires. Beautiful. Brakes, rusty, but they should be okay. Look at the shocks. It's leaking. Okay, it's leaking. That's leaking. Shocks is leaking. Look at that. Can you see that? And also, you check for any damage underneath. Okay, and front shocks is leaking as well. Okay, so as part of the rules and regulation of New South Wales RTA or Road Maritime Services, it is a failed items for the blue slip. So in this case, why I said it's a public service, the customer came to us for a blue slip. So we recommended a major service because not only that, look at this. Major service, look at how dirty the cabin filter. You can plant a mushroom here. Under the consumer law, any dealer, they have this statutory obligation to cover the warranty because the car they are selling must be fit for purpose. I repeat, it must be fit for purpose. In this case, it won't pass the blue slip if any of the shocks is leaking. So, this can be a public service through Handsome Mechanic. I will assist the customer in drafting a demand letter to the dealer, demanding them or requesting them to either replace the shocks at their cost, not at the customer cost, or customer will approve the work, then he will send the invoice to the dealer and cover it. In this case, the customer will come and pick up the car a little bit later once we've done the service. The dealer agreed to replace the shocks at their cost. So once again, we are so delighted to hear that we were able to help the customer. So for our customers who are wanting to buy a car in the future, this is what I keep telling our customers. When you buy a car, make sure you bring the car to a reputable mechanic. We will inspect it for you for a very affordable, at an affordable price. You can save a lot of headache. In this case, the customer is looking around more than $1,000 to replace 4 shocks, wheel alignment, labor. That's around $1,300. He will save this because I will assist the customer on how to deal with the dealer. This is what we do at Handsome Mechanic. Happy 156K. Handsome Mechanic, you all should be here.